How to add reflection in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add reflection. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can import or create any of the images here. So I'm selecting on one. Now again, simply tap on it. So I have been entered in this editing platform. Now here are different tools that you can see. So slowly scroll down. Now here you'll be able to see reflection, so simply tap on it. So as you can see, you can increase or decrease the opacity. Now you can adjust it according to your preference, and you can even move it. So you can adjust it and simply tap on done. So the image has been edited. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.